Hi there, this is John Drew here from Elevated Planet. So, just to set the scene for what follows, all linked to this short introductory video. Transylvania Sunrise is an incredible yet very credible book for a number of reasons, one of which was a deep dive into the deep state, the world of Freemasonry, the Illuminati, the Cabal, the secret government, the military-industrial complex, as a selection of names that these dark forces are known by. It also deserves mention that Transylvanian Sunrise is not fiction. It is a factual book. You will learn that fact can be more incredible than fiction. These dark forces are typically highly secretive, and this is part of how they have managed to control humanity for thousands of years. Their operations have been so successful that we don't even realize that we have been enslaved. They have no regard for the well-being of humanity. In fact, the polar opposite of that is true, with depopulation being high on their agenda in 2025. And as long as they are pulling the strings of humanity, we will see atrocities perpetrated on humanity, albeit delivered in very subtle ways for the most part. The world around us is changing, and the frequencies are elevating on our beautiful planet, and our frequencies have the opportunity to elevate too, out of fear and into love and joy. We don't achieve this by fighting these old outdated energies. We do this by building the new with our We the People, Nos Populi community. Simply subscribe to Elevated Planet to stay in tune with developments of that. But it pays to understand what we are up against and how this deep state movement has come to be. I've heard nothing more comprehensive than what is presented to us in Transylvania Sunrise. The book comes highly recommended, but to provide immediate access to the book and the information, we owe a debt of gratitude to the Learn From Masters YouTube channel, who have provided the entire transcript broken down into 22 videos, around 7 hours of viewing/listening time in total. There is a link attached here to the first video, with each one following on from the last. However, given our focus on the dark forces controlling humanity, we also have a link to video 11, which is where we have the opportunity to learn all about them care of one of their own, a senior figure in one of the most powerful Masonic lodges in the world. Signore Massini is trying to convince our hero, Cesar Brad, to join their elite power. Cesar has much to offer, but he also has a conscience that elevates him well above any dark agenda. Videos 11 through 14 give a thorough description of how these dark agendas are rolled out against humanity. There is one more link for the time-starved amongst us, and that is for the 10-minute version, which remains powerful in its message. The link to that one is also attached. I invite you to explore whichever version appeals to you, because understanding the forces of darkness help us find our way to the light, not by fighting the old, but by building the new. Please feel free to share any thoughts or questions through our website, elevatedplanet.life/contact. Or, if you wish to join our community, you only have to ask. We would love to have you with us on the journey. Thank you.